Thank you for watching my video series. In this video series, I'm starting my journey with a laser-based collagen building treatment. This is a skin tightening, wrinkle correcting procedure with the laser. What it does is it takes laser's energy and it makes it into heat in the tissue, and that causes a purposeful wound in the skin. It's underneath the surface of the skin, so there's not a lot of downtime with this. You look pretty normal. Your skin surface is intact. You can use your regular makeup and cream. So it's an easily tolerated procedure, but it does take several treatments. So I'll be doing a series of 4 of these, and I'll be working on a couple areas that bother me. I was born in 71, so those of you who are good at math know I'm mid-40s, and like many mid-40-year-olds, I have a few of the typical problems. I'm really noticing that I'm developing lines in around my mouth, so I'll be treating this with some filler too, and I'll have that in another video. But here in these areas here around my chin, in the video it may be hard to see, but I do have some crepiness in here and in the center part of my cheek that I don't like quite so much. So I'll be working on those areas. Another area that I notice that's changing is around my eye area. Again, I have early line formation here. I treat this area with Botox, and that really seems to help me. I'm actually due for my Botox again. I'll show my Botox in another video. But I'm also going to try to work on some of the tightness in the skin around my eye. I'll be raising it up during the laser treatment and shooting over the bone here to treat that. I don't know if you can tell from the video, I can see on myself a little skin fold there. I never used to have that. That's part of just getting older. I'm getting more lax in my connective tissue in my forehead, so my brows are coming down a little. So I'm going to try to treat that as well. In addition, I'm going to actually use a bit of Botox in here to relax the muscle that's pulling my brow down, and that will help to assist in a bit of brow elevation and overall enhancement in combination with the laser. The nice thing about the lasers as an option for people who are really truly natural and want to avoid things like the injectables, Botox and fillers, that is, the lasers give a really good opportunity to enhance your own natural collagen. The way this laser works that I'm going to use is that it creates heat underneath the surface of the skin, and the heat actually causes a little bit of a wound healing response. So my body will make new collagen in response to this over the course of about the next 4 weeks. So it comes on quite gradually. So this is a series of treatments. This is my pre-video before I do anything. I'm going to do my first session in about 5 minutes. I'm going to try to video it, and I'll keep tracking and posting my videos over the next 4 months as I go along. I will indicate when I've used Botox and fillers so people can see the difference between what each treatment does, and so that way you can better see what works. And this way there's a nice combination for anything, for anybody, depending on what your personal preferences and belief system is. So anyways, here's my pre-photo. The other thing I just want to point out before I leave the camera is that I also have some color problems. I have some brown pigments from my sun damage. You can kind of see around my eye, a little bit at my forehead, on my cheek. On the other side as well too, I have some, and I have flushing because I'm a little bit prone to rosacea. So I'm going to try to work on some of those things with another laser handpiece. So that's in the next video. Thank you for watching.